Hello my creative friend, Olga Soby here, and welcome to new fluid art tutorial. I hope you're ready to celebrate New Year, and as we are rolling into this celebration, I'm in a mood for something dreamy, very wintry, and at the same time magical, so that we can all make wishes for the coming year. For my colors, I want to go for something quite cool and wintry. I really liked what I did for the previous painting. So for this one, I want to do something in the same energy, but different look. Beautiful. They work amazing together. I'm almost done, but oh my God. I'm beyond happy with how it turned out, better than I even anticipated. I want to do some embellishment. I use my hoops, which are, by the way, embroidery hoops that I'm going to be using to separate some areas in the painting. I'm very excited to work on this piece. This is going to be a last piece of the year. So let's see how it turns out. And without further ado, let's get started. Winter Magic, secret message for this painting, and it's a canvas. It's 18 by 24. I have already prepared my sides. I painted them with silver because, like I said, I want to have a lot of silver in this piece. And one important thing that I want to share with you: if you also pre-paint your sides, make sure to let them fully dry, like fully dry before you pour, because if it's not fully dry, some of that paint may peel off when you pour on top. Ask me how I know that, because that's exactly what I did in one of my paintings. So make sure to be patient with it. So I'm going to position my hoops, and I want to go for some snowflakes embellishment, but I'm getting ahead of myself. We're definitely not there yet. Yeah, so these hoops will be the areas, approximately the areas. I'm going to be really working in layers today. Okay, approximately like that. So I will start by pouring this color, which is a Prussian blue, and it's gonna dry pretty much black, which is gonna be perfect for my silver-ish background. And this is just a rough area where my hoops are gonna go. I put them here just to guide myself where to add this Prussian blue, but I'm gonna remove them just for a moment. So when I previously was doing similar looking paintings, I would only have one solid color in the background inside of my rings. Today, changing things up. I want to add a little bit, just the tiniest bit of iridescent black blue, which also dries really dark, but it will give it this Prussian blue some shimmer. And also just a couple touches of silver. Oops, maybe that's too much, we'll see. I'm gonna blow it out, but before I do, I just wanted to blend in those colors a little bit. Okay, so for the next step, I'm gonna just blow these three sections out and then put my hoops back. Maybe just a touch more silver on this one. All right, let's put those hoops back. Actually, you know what? I see that the size of the hoop is slightly bigger than the area that I covered, so I need to push the paint a little further. Beautiful. Next, I'm gonna position my hoops back. It definitely helps to look from above to, you know, see how do I like the balance in the composition at the moment. And I think it's perfect. I love how these three colors, the Prussian blue, silver, and the iridescent black blue, which almost looks like iridescent purplish, they work amazing together. So now I'm gonna work on the rest of this piece. I'm already quite happy with it. Okay, all right. So, gonna have some of that Prussian blue as a base for the rest of the blowout. And of course, all of the colors are mixed with my new recipe. And if you want to learn not just the pouring recipe, but how to get the result that you want, not just replicate after somebody or after myself, but how to create something that you truly want to create in your fluid artwork. And of course, all the other technical details like perfect consistency for your paint, how to layer your colors on the canvas, all the necessary information. I invite you to check out my online course, and right now, literally final hours to get it with 20% discount. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out. I have another color here. I think I just want to drizzle a little bit of it. This is phthalo blue and touch of violet mixed with a lot of white. I can use it for some highlights. I definitely want to have a lot of silver, especially on the edges. Dash of titanium white and some highlights to give volume to this painting and make it more interesting. Wow, I really like this color palette a lot. It's quite minimal, lots of shimmer. It's gonna have a lot of shine once dry. Well, let's begin the most fun and enjoyable part. I'm almost done, but oh my god, I love it! And if you want to learn how to create this effect and many other beautiful effects, not just with blowing techniques, but with other techniques like open cup, chain pull, dirty pour, etc., this is what I teach in my course. And if you want to learn what techniques covered and what is in the modules, what will you get in the course, I will include the page where you can learn more about it. This corner here does not have enough paint, so I think I'm just gonna use some of the runoffs. Well, I am beyond happy with how it turned out. Better than I even anticipated. All right, and addition of this bluish violetish color definitely brought extra interest to the color palette. And in areas where my Prussian blue overmixed with white, it gave this deep, beautiful color. Time to do the finger swipes and really connect this all together. I think this painting definitely has this magical vibe. So let's remove those hoops. Could not be happier with it. I especially love this part because the way that I turned and spinned and it really worked to connect everything together. Same on this one, although I do feel like I want to extend this line just a little more towards my ring. Okay, from here. All right, my friends, let's move on to the next section of creation of this painting. See you in a moment. The fluid painting is dry and I am totally in the mood for winter magic. So in my round negative space areas, I decided to add 3 snowflake designs with the stencil technique. Oh yes, look how beautiful this turns out. I love combination of these techniques and how they really work together. Once both the fluid art and the stencil parts are fully dry, it is time to varnish. And I'm gonna tell you a secret. I got so many requests to do Varnishing Masterclass, so may your wishes come true. Right now I'm working on a varnishing course in which I will teach you on how to masterfully, flawlessly apply different types of varnish to your artworks so they are gallery ready. And here is the final look of this winter magic painting. Tell me, what do you think? How do you like the outcome and this combination of techniques together? I really love the moody, dreamy, yet somehow cheerful energy in this piece. And just a reminder that these are just final hours of the 20% discount, the holiday sale on all of my courses. So make sure you take advantage of that sale before it expires. And as we are rolling into 2024, I have 3 wishes for you for the coming year, just like the number of snowflakes in this painting. The first wish is creative growth. And cheers to New Year just sparkling with endless ideas, inspiration, and opportunities for you to explore new horizons in your art. The second wish is artistic confidence. And may the new year empower you with confidence in your unique artistic voice and vision. And the third wish for you, the biggest one, is artistic fulfillment, and I wish you to experience much satisfaction of all your artistic achievements, small ones and big ones. And I want you to always remember that you are talented, you are unique, you are enough. So allow yourself to grow and flourish and unlock your full artistic potential in 2024. So these are my 3 wishes to you, and thank you so much for joining me today. Take care, create with passion, and Happy New Year! I will see you in the next one in the new year. Bye bye!